If you want to connect your OPPO Find X9 Pro to PC and transfer data, then here's what you can do. The easiest way, I believe, to actually transfer the data from the phone or to the phone is by using a USB cable. If you have a USB cable that you can use to connect your phone to your computer, then you can just do that and go to notifications. And then in here in the notifications, you should be able to find the information about charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification, and then you might need to do that again in order to switch from charging only to file transfer / Android Auto. Now after that, we're gonna go to our computer, and then once you go to your PC, you should be able to find OPPO Find X9 Pro, and we have pretty much everything that we have on our phone, including photos, videos, documents, audio files, and so on and so forth. And we can easily transfer it back and forth between our two devices. There is also a dedicated app for both Windows and Mac. It is called OPPO Connect. You can visit the connect.oppo.com website in order to download the app for Windows or Mac OS, and then you can install it on your computer. After you open the app, you should also have the option to sign into your OPPO account. So if you actually use an OPPO account, it will be slightly easier to do so, because it will be easier to connect these two devices together by using the account. However, it is not really necessary to actually use it. Nevertheless, we're gonna go to settings on our phone now, and over here choose device connect or something similar. It can actually have a different name. After a certain update, the name was changed in here, but you should be able to find PC option, and as you can see, we have the instruction to get O Connect. And what is pretty decent about this feature is that we have multi-screen connect and remote PC control as well. So you can even control your computer from your phone, but in this case it seems that we actually need to use the OPPO account. So in here we're gonna choose add new device. Location services are off, so I'm gonna turn it on, and we should be able to find our PC, so we can select it in here, and then we need to allow it on our computer. So it looks like this, and we need to simply click on allow, and then the connection should happen. And this happened actually without using any account. In this case, I am signed into my account, but I'm not signed into my account on my phone. And now, as you can see, if we go to files, I have pretty much everything that I have on my phone. We can also go to screencast, so that's a pretty good tool. You can easily share the screen on your PC, and you can easily download apps from here or import as well over here by using this button. And on your phone, you also have all of these options like settings and stuff that you can use in case you need to do that. You might want to disable, for example, the synchronization of clipboards and notifications if you are botted. In case you at some point need to scan a QR code in the OPPO Connect, you can use this QR code scanner in the upper right corner. There we go. This is usually used just for connecting. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.